Welcome back to NG Auto Review, where we bring you the latest car reviews in full detail. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Volkswagen Corrado, a name that's made an exciting comeback. Let's see if this modern version lives up to the legend. The 2026 Corrado strikes a perfect balance between classic inspiration and modern aggression. The low-slung profile, sharp LED headlights, and the signature sloped rear hatch immediately grab your attention. Volkswagen has given it a bold front grille, subtle aerodynamic lines, and a rear light bar that stretches across the width of the car, giving it a distinctive and futuristic look. Sitting on sleek 19-inch alloy wheels with available 20-inch options, the new Corrado looks like it belongs both on the street and the track. The attention to detail on the exterior is impressive, and the paint finishes are rich and premium, offering a mix of bold and classic color options. When it comes to performance, Volkswagen didn't hold back. The base model comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine pushing out around 265 horsepower. But for enthusiasts, the real excitement comes from the VR6-inspired variant, now a modern 3.0-liter V6 turbo producing a thrilling 390 horsepower with optional all-wheel drive. Acceleration is quick and responsive, with the V6 model hitting 0 to 60 in just under 4.5 seconds. Handling feels sharp and planted, thanks to Volkswagen's adaptive suspension and lightweight chassis. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through corners, the Corrado delivers a confident and exhilarating driving experience. Step inside, and the Corrado continues to impress. The cabin feels sporty but still carries that Volkswagen refinement. High-quality soft-touch materials, contrast stitching, and a digital cockpit that's clear and customizable make it feel modern and driver-focused. The seats are well-bolstered, offering comfort for daily drives and support for spirited driving. The infotainment system is sharp and intuitive, with seamless wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a premium Harman Kardon sound system for those who care about audio quality. Rear seating is best suited for occasional use or extra storage, staying true to the Corrado's coupe heritage. Pricing starts around $42,000 for the base turbo model, while the VR6-inspired version can reach up to $55,000 when fully loaded. Considering the performance, design, and tech you're getting, it's a competitive price point in the modern sports coupe market. That's it for today's detailed look at the 2026 Volkswagen Corrado. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more from NG Auto Review. See you next time.